So, the way I plan on addressing vaccine hesitancy among African American individuals are increased education. And with this, I will dispel misconceptions on the process of developing the vaccine. So, the vaccine was developed through a unique protocol that the US enacted, which is called Operation Warp Speed, which approved uh, emergency use authorization of various COVID 19 vaccines, where many different countries pitched in order to develop this vaccine. I will I will take measures in increasing this education by having pamphlets sent to many different African American households or different medical facilities and have this information addressed because the process on developing the vaccine isn't really covered much. It's mainly on what the effects of the vaccines are, but not much information has been talked about when it comes to how the vaccine was approved so quickly, since COVID is a relatively new disease. So with my intervention, I plan on reviewing on how the COVID-19 vaccine was developed and how and why you should trust the vaccine, because everyone is aware on why you should trust it, on why the COVID-19 vaccine affects your body and preventing COVID-19 or reducing the effects of it, but nobody really talks about how the vaccine is produced. And with this increased education, this will convince people, hopefully more African Americans, to take measures and feel more at ease with how the vaccine was developed, and they may feel more willing to take the vaccine, because any sort of misinformation or mistrust can be dispelled by factual information, and a big factor is putting them at ease on how the vaccine was developed. And for people who may feel more compelled to take the vaccine, in this intervention, I will make sure to have increased distribution to low income neighborhoods. So when more people feel willing to take the vaccine, they won't have to go many miles in order to actually have access to the vaccine. So these are my references. And this is just a quick graph showing the US Census Bureau Household Pulse Survey. This is back in January, when that shows the vaccine hesitancy. And as you can see, African Americans make up 34.4%. And this is back in July. And as you can see, that number has changed to 10.6%. And this is the CDC COVID-19 data tracker, which shows the demographics. And as you can see, African Americans make up 9.6% compared to their 12.4%. All right, thank you.